In the previous video, I told you about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and its derivation. Let us see what are the other relations of complementary angles. The first one which we have seen is sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Second one was cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Apart from these two, the other relations are tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and the last one cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These all ratios can be proved in the same way like we proved the first two. Okay? Now, what is the way of using these relations in solving? For this, for example, let us see a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and let angle C be 40 degree. Okay? So if angle B is 90, angle C is 40 degree, then by angle sum property, angle A will be equal to 50 degree. Because we know that if in a triangle one angle is 90 degree, then other two angles are complementary angles of each other. So for this triangle, if we find out the ratio for both these angles, so as we know that angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, that means we can relate any of these two angles in the terms of its complementary angles. For example, I am writing this angle C in terms of complementary. So if angle A plus C is equal to 90 degree and A is 50 degree, then angle C will be equal to 90 minus 50 degree. Okay? So let's find out the relation, one of these which we can use to solve. I am going to use this one or this one. Any of these two we will use here. Basically we can use all these relations, but I am going to show you one of these. So for base angle C, sine C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to AB upon AC. And for the base angle A, cos A, I am finding cos for this base angle A. I hope you have understood that whenever we have to convert the vertical angle, we rotate the triangle in which perpendicular becomes the base and base becomes the perpendicular. So cos A will be equal to base upon hypotenuse is equal to AB upon AC. Let this be equation number 2. So here sin C is AB upon AC, cos A is also equal to AB upon AC. That means by equating equation number 1 and 2, sin C will be equal to cos A. Now here, as C is equal to 90 minus 50 and A which is equal to 50, so let's put the value. sine 90 minus 50 is equal to cos 50 degree. Now sine 90 minus 50 is equal to sine 40 degree, which is equal to cos 50 degree. So here these two things we have to understood, that whenever we will solve the question, without going into detail, how directly we can use these ratios in solving questions. So if you know one of the angle of that triangle, then you can convert that into the complementary of other angle. Like if you are given one angle of triangle as 90 degree and the other acute angle is 40 degree, then that angle can be written as other relation of its complementary angle. So sine 40 degree is equal to cos 50 degree. That means sine changes into cos, and angle which we are given converts into complementary. The complementary of 40 is 50. Similarly, let me give you some examples. If you are given cos 35 degree, so cos 35 degree can be written in terms of sine. Cos converts into sine and angle converts into its complementary. The complementary of 35 is 55 degree. Directly we can write this one. You can derive it also, or you can use the formulas also. But if we are solving any question of less weightage, in that case we can directly write this relation like this. Another example, suppose you are given tan 30 degree. The complementary of tan is cot, and complementary of 30 degree is 60 degree. Suppose you are given sec 25 degree, then complementary of sec is cosec, and complementary of 25 is 65 degree. So in this way, directly we can convert any complementary ratio into its other angle.